In about 90 seconds, you're going to type one sentence into a box and get back a poster you'd actually hang on your wall. No drawing skills. No Photoshop. One sentence. Watch. By the end of this episode, you'll know where every button is, what the 3 model names mean, and you'll have your first image saved in a folder you can actually find again. Tiny win. Sets up everything. Open Higgsfield.ai and sign in. 3 things to notice. Left sidebar. That's where workspaces, characters, and reference elements live. We'll fill those up later. Top bar. That's the prompt box and the model picker. Main area. That's your gallery. Every image you've ever made, scrollable forever. The whole app is basically those 3 zones. Quick reason this is the tool we use. 3 things other generators don't do well. 1. Characters that stay consistent across hundreds of images. 2. Outputs that are already video ready, so the same prompt becomes a clip in Module 3. 3. Presets built by actual filmmakers and marketers, not random Discord servers. Same prompt, way more usable result. Your turn. Click into the prompt box. Type exactly this. Golden retriever puppy wearing tiny astronaut helmet, studio lighting, hyper detailed. Leave the model on whatever it's set to. Hit generate. Wait about 15 seconds. 4 images appear. Pick your favorite, click the bookmark icon, and save it to a new folder called M02 Higgsfield Sandbox. Done. You shipped. Now the boring superpower nobody teaches. Click out of the prompt. Hit your sidebar. Click Workspaces. M02 Sandbox. Your puppy is right there. That's it. That's the whole organization system you need for this entire module. Folder per project. Bookmark the keepers. Move on. 3 zones. Sidebar, prompt bar, gallery. 1 folder per project. 1 bookmarked keeper. That's the entire workflow for the rest of Module 2. Next up, the model picker. Soul, Nano Banana, and Seedream. 3 engines, very different vibes. We'll race them with the exact same prompt. See you in Episode 2